Hello friends, today we will be able to learn about helping verbs. Let's first understand what are helping verbs. A helping verb is a word that helps the action verb make a complete sentence. So let's understand what is a helping verb and what are the common types of helping verbs. Common helping verbs are be verbs, am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. They are used in a sentence. They are not action verbs, but they help the verb in a sentence. Have verbs, have, has, and had. Do verbs, do, does, and did. Modal helping verbs are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. All of these helping verbs are used in a sentence and they help us to complete a sentence. Let's understand this with the help of an example. These are the examples in sentences. She is reading a book. In this sentence, helping verb is main verb reading. Let's have a look at another example. He can swim very well. In this sentence, helping verb is can and main verb is swim. We will visit our grandparents tomorrow. In this sentence, helping verb is will and main verb is visit. Do you like apples? In this sentence, helping verb is do and main verb is like. I was playing football after school. Helping verb is was and main verb is playing. I hope you understood what are helping verbs. We will understand this with the help of a little practice. Here is a simple exercise. Choose the correct helping verb. Are you people ready? Let's begin. She dash singing a beautiful song. Which helping verb will come in this sentence? Is, am, are. And the correct answer is. She is singing a beautiful song. Very good. They dash finished their homework. Which helping verb will come in this sentence? Has, have, were. Think for a minute. Have. This is the correct answer. They have finished their homework. Very good. We dash visit the zoo tomorrow. Which helping verb will come in this sentence? Were, have, will. And the correct answer is will. We will visit the zoo tomorrow. Very good. The birds dash flying in the sky. Which helping verb will come in this sentence? Were, does, will. And the correct answer is were. The birds were flying in the sky. Dash you like ice cream? Which helping verb will come in this sentence? Were, does, do. And the correct answer is do. Very good. Do you like ice cream? Sarah dash reading a story. Were, was, can. Which helping verb will come in this sentence? The correct answer is was. Sarah was reading a story. Very good, children. If you want to learn more about helping verbs, read my blog. I will give you a link in the description with a free worksheet about helping verbs. It is totally free. You can print and download it. This is available at my website www.downloadableworksheet.com. If you like this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. I'll bring more videos like this. This is your teacher signing off. Take care. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.